Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with another Nomad product, and this time it is the Modern Stand. And what this is it's a stand for you to charge your Apple Watch on. It's really nice because the Apple Watch charges using the little tether cable that has the magnetic base to it, which is fantastic, but it is kind of annoying, especially whenever you're trying to put it on your nightstand at night or you have it sitting up on your desk. Naturally, it wants to slide off the desk as soon as you unplug it, or it's just really inconvenient. So Nomad has come up with a solution, which is their Modern Stand. It's made out of CNC cut aluminum. It's got a weighted base so it doesn't topple over. It's got an anti-slip bottom so it stays nice and flat on the surface. You don't have to worry about it moving around. And it supports both the 1 meter and the 2 meter Apple Watch cable. So all that for the low price of $39.95. You get the extra convenience of having a place to call home for your Apple Watch. Now this works with the Apple Watch Series 1, 2, 3, and 4. Any one of those, because they all use the same charging base, which is that magnetic circle that you put on the back of your watch. So it works really well. It's $39.95. It doesn't come with the cable. So that's one thing that's really important to note. I'll go ahead and show you here. You have to use your own cable and thread it through this channel on the back to get it set up. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the modern base for the Apple Watch. All right, so this is what the Modern Stand looks like when you take it out of the box. Like I said, it doesn't come with the charger, so you have to supply your own charging cable. It has the weighted bottom so that it will stand upright. You don't have to worry about it toppling over, none of that jazz. And there you can see part of the channel, which is what you use to put your cable in. So you'll thread the cable in through this channel all the way up to the top, and the charging base portion will go into the hole there that's already pre-cut out, and it works really, really well. And you'll get to see that here in just a second. But all you have to do to install it is you take your charging base, it'll pop and it'll stay secure into the hole right there, and then you want to firmly take the cable, keep it as tight as you can, and you want to thread it into the channel. If you leave it loose, if it's flopping, hanging around, it's not going to go in there right and it'll pop out. So especially once you get to that juncture right there where my thumb is at, you want to make sure you apply thumb pressure, keep it nice and tight, and then put the rest of the cable in so that it will stay in there securely. And it's pretty easy. It doesn't take that long to do at all. Now, once you have the charger installed, you can go ahead and put the watch on. There's nothing else that you have to do. If you want to be fancy and you want to put it in a loop, you can do that. I just put it on there straight like that. And Bob's your uncle. You don't have to do anything else. You just gently place it down on the charger and it'll hold it in place and charge. All right, so that's pretty much all I have for the Modern Stand by Nomad. If you want one, you can pick it up for $39.95. Check them out, hellonomad.com. It really is a nice, solid option to put either on your desk, put it by your bed, on your nightstand, wherever it is that you charge your watch at night. This is guaranteed to make life much more convenient. So instead of fishing around for the cable, worrying about it falling off, having to try and find it, all that good stuff, you have one dedicated fancy looking place to put it every time. You just pop it down on the stand and let it charge and do its thing, and it'll be there when you need it. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comments section. I'll get back with you. As always, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button, the little notification bell for future updates on new videos, and I'll see you guys next time.